Can you see it? This is the Python Diamond Industrial. You know they carry local tester. Look at the name of the company. Anthony, Dr. Brown, Dr. Jegede, and Aminu Masari Home. Look at the date. Today's date is 19 May 20. Today's date is 19 May 2024. Tomorrow is 20 May 2024. Next tomorrow is 21 May 2024. You can see it. Python Diamond Industrial. You can see it. This is the Python Diamond Industrial. You know they carry local tester. It's only industrial tester. This is the Python Diamond Industrial. This is the local tester. You can see it. So this is the name of the company, and you can see today's date. Now is to 5. Yes, today's date is 19 May 2024, and I do this POP is to 5 now.